So as someone who plays the accordion and publishes YouTube videos and teaches people accordion and has a little bit of a following, I have a little bit of an audience, I get to do something really cool something really privileged, which is I get to shine a light on people that are doing really cool work, especially really cool work within the accordion community. And today I want to do that. So my colleague, my friend Denny, he goes by Squeeze and Thanks on YouTube, does some really cool things. He takes popular music videos, whether it's Billie Eilish or The Weeknd, and he recreates them shot by shot using the accordion. So Denny is a filmmaker, I think by trade, who picked up the accordion, and his passion is recreating music videos with the accordion. If you haven't checked it out, check him out. He does a beautiful cover of Billie Eilish's When the Party's Over, of The Weeknd's Blinding Lights, really beautifully. So check that out. Now, the other thing that Denny does is a few months ago, he reached out to me and he sent me this kit called, it's the Accordion Learning Kit. And he said, hey, maybe some of your students would find this useful. And so I opened it up and I took a look, and there's some really cool things about it. And so Denny taught himself the accordion, and he's a great teacher. And so so part of the point of this video is that we're giving away 10 of these packages. I'm giving away 5 packages. Denny is giving away 5 packages. But I wanted to show you some really cool things. Yeah, this might show up on camera. Some really cool things about these accordion cheat sheets. The first one is the Stradella bass system chart here. It's the only chart that I've seen that's oriented correctly. All you do is you hold a chart in front of you, and there is the bass system. C to F, to G, to D, to A. And the orientation is correct for majors and minors in the contrabass row, rather than every other chart that I've seen where it's backwards, like on Wikipedia, etc. The other really cool thing are these cool charts. This shows you chord voicings. So when I say the importance of triads and arpeggios and voicings and figuring out a melody to the song, you pull up a C major or a C minor or a seventh or diminished, and every key you get those voicings. The chart comes with a little Sharpie. You would highlight this E, and there's your E minor voicings right there. Again, I encourage you to memorize those things, but if you need a quick reference, this is a really cool chart. The last thing I wanted to point out are these major and minor chord families with the Roman numerals. I'll oftentimes say something like, there's a cool 2-5-1 turnaround in this song. What does a 2-5-1 turnaround mean in F major? Major chord families, F major, the minor 2 is a G minor, the 5 is a C. So when playing an F major, the 2-5-1 turnaround is a G minor, C, back to the 1, back to the F. Just a really cool reference chart. All these things, again, are available online. I have never seen it condensed into such a cool little package. They come laminated so you can highlight and doodle all over it. So how do you win? How do you win these cool learning kits? Denny is running the contest and I'm participating, so you need to subscribe to my channel and comment on this video for a chance to win. And if you want to double your chances, you subscribe to Squeeze and Thanks, Denny's channel, and you comment on his video. I'll leave a link in the description and maybe a link over here. You have until midnight on December 25th, midnight Eastern time, to enter, to comment and subscribe, and we'll be choosing a name, 5 names from this video and 5 names from Denny's video at random. We'll use a random comment finder and announce the winners on our channels the week of the 28th, December 28th. It's super exciting. You have to be a resident of North America, of Canada or the States to enter. We'll cover the shipping of these kits to you. Very exciting. What else? I'm in no way affiliated with Squeeze and Thanks. I don't get any cutback. Anything that Denny sells, there's no connection. He's not paying me under the table to endorse these kits. I just think he's a wonderful creator that if you haven't heard of him, check them out. It's a really cool learning resource. There are other things for sale on Squeeze and Think, some cool merchandise, some cool posters, yeah, and these learning kits. Check out Denny's video, check out Denny's channel, see what he's doing, and let me know if you have any questions about these kits, about Denny, or about the accordion in general. Thank you.